The Predictive Forward Collision Warning system uses a sensor in the front of the vehicle to analyze the speed and distance to the vehicle directly ahead, as well as a vehicle traveling in front of that one. The Predictive Forward Collision Warning system operates at speeds above approximately 3 miles per hour. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides the first warning to the driver by flashing the vehicle ahead detection indicator with an audible warning. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press this button on the left side of the steering wheel until Settings is shown on the vehicle information display. Press the up or down arrow button to select Driver Assistance. Now press the Enter button. Select Emergency Braking and press the Enter button. Select System and press the Enter button to toggle the system on or off. When the PFCW system is turned off, the FEB system warning light illuminates. The PFCW system is integrated into the forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection system. When the FEB with pedestrian detection is turned off, the PFCW system is also turned off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.